Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Herne Bay taking a look at number 6 Arolla Road. Now this is a 4-bedroom detached family home, and you're only a short walking distance away from both the shops, the transport links, and then also a little bit further on to the seafront, and of course those beautiful walks that you've got right up across the Leas and towards Reculver and down into the town itself. Now with this property we've got a very versatile and yet traditional layout. You can see here the main entrance hallway space nice and light and bright and airy, and you can see that on the left hand side we've got the access through into the lounge, and that's where we're going to start today's tour. Now you'll see that we've got the beautiful wood flooring sort of cascading through the ground floor of the property here. Beautiful lounge space there with a beautiful open feeling to it, and of course that lovely big bay window to the front. Now just across from the hallway there you can see on the right hand side we've got the access through into the ground floor cloakroom. Now this is a fantastic size, and on the right hand side you can see that you've got a little bit more storage than you would otherwise expect just underneath the staircase there as well. We're going to go through into the kitchen, which again is a very good size indeed, and you do have the space for white goods in here in the form of the washing machine and the dishwasher there on the right hand side, and you do have that little view over into the rear garden as well as that access to the side into the rear garden as well. So on the ground floor of the property we do have the lounge to the front, that very convenient cloakroom, the kitchen, and then you can see just there we've got the access through into the conservatory from the dining room, and that's where we're going to go next. We're just going to head through into the dining room now. Whether or not you'd like to use this as a dining room space or a very convenient study is up to you, but of course that just goes to show how versatile this space really is. So coming through into the conservatory at the rear of the property here, you can see that we've got the access into the rear garden, and that's where we're going to head into next. So I'll leave you for a few moments just to take the rear garden space in, and then we'll come back indoors and go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. So here we are upstairs, and we're going to start by taking a quick look here at the main family bathroom. So on the left hand side we've got the bath with the shower unit above and the rail to the side, and just coming across here we'll go straight through and take a look at bedroom number 3. Now we've got some fantastic bedroom sizes here. Bedroom number 3, brilliant size indeed, with that lovely big window there to the front. Plenty of space not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage options as well. And coming through into bedroom number 2 here, you can see at the front of the property again, fantastic double-sized room with more fitted wardrobes on the left-hand side and plenty of space there for the double bed. Now we're going to go through and take a look here at bedroom number 4, good size as a single room or possibly a study if you need it, and then of course going through into the main bedroom here with the ensuite and that lovely view over the rear garden. So we'll go through and take a look at that ensuite in just a moment, but for now this leaves us a good chance just to run through a couple of the property's key points again. So this is number 6 Arolla Road, a 4-bedroom detached family home with that lovely big driveway to the front, and of course you do have the garage as well. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.